Ever wondered about the intricate workings of your motorcycle's regulator/rectifier? The unsung hero of your motorcycle's electrical system, often overlooked yet vital for your bike's performance. Today, we pull back the curtain on this fascinating component, diving deep into the process of testing and understanding it. The regulator rectifier is a key player in your motorcycle's charging system. It's a full-wave rectifier with a twist, managing voltage flow with the help of one-way diodes and transistors. Our journey begins with the basics. Checking for constant battery voltage is an essential step in ensuring the electrical system's smooth operation. Guided by an expert instructor, we'll delve into the process of assessing the regulator/rectifier's condition. The alternator, also known as the stator, plays a star role in this story. Ensuring no wires are broken or improperly grounded is critical. Next, we'll walk through testing for constant power in the red and white wires. Understanding the grounding process through the green wires is equally vital. And remember, a voltmeter is a mechanic's best friend when it comes to confirming the presence of battery voltage. The black wire, our silent sentinel, signals the transistor to regulate voltage, a crucial step not to be overlooked. This lesson is a glimpse into our comprehensive motorcycle mechanics course, designed to empower both enthusiasts and professionals. It's not just about mastering the regulator rectifier, but gaining a wealth of knowledge on all aspects of motorcycle mechanics. We cover everything from the basics of electrical systems to advanced diagnostics and repairs, equipping you with the skills to tackle any challenge. Our course offers expert instruction from seasoned professionals, hands-on learning through practical exercises, and a comprehensive curriculum covering every critical aspect of motorcycle mechanics. So are you ready to elevate your skills and become a proficient motorcycle mechanic? Well, don't just sit there. Take the first step towards mastering the art of motorcycle maintenance and repair. Today is the day you start your journey into the intricate world of motorcycle mechanics.
Unlock the secrets of motorcycle mechanics and elevate your skills with our expert-led course. Click the link in the description now and start your journey to mastery today.